Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the Sri Sri Radha Madan Mohanji Temple, which is an ISKCON initiative in Navi Mumbai in Maharashtra. This project aims to spread peace, harmony and universal brotherhood, drawing from the teachings of our Vedas. But what makes this unveiling most crucial is the timing, coming on the back of the prosecution of ISKCON monks and Hindus taking place in Bangladesh.
A brand new ISKCON temple is all set to be inaugurated. At 3:30 p.m. today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will consecrate the opening of the Sri Sri Radha Madan Mohanji Temple, an ambitious initiative by the International Society for Krishna Consciousness in Navi Mumbai. The temple spans 9 acres and features several deities, a Vedic education center, an auditorium, a proposed museum and a healing center. The project is deeply rooted in ISKCON's mission to promote peace, harmony and universal brotherhood, drawing from the teachings of the Vedas. This high-profile inauguration by the Prime Minister comes just weeks after ISKCON faced targeted attacks in Bangladesh, including the arrest of a prominent monk. The incidents, which involved vandalism and violence in the neighboring country, sparked widespread outrage among devotees and raised significant concerns with the Indian government. These attacks were seen as an affront not only to the religious sentiments of millions, but also to the ideals of tolerance and coexistence that ISKCON represents. The Indian government, along with Prime Minister Modi, expressed strong disapproval, emphasizing the need to protect minority communities and their places of worship globally. As the Mahakumbh makes a global spiritual splash, the inauguration of the Sri Sri Radha Madan Mohanji Temple adds to a month of deep divination. It symbolizes resilience in the face of adversity and reinforces India's commitment to safeguarding cultural and spiritual heritage. By dedicating a world-class temple complex to the promotion of Vedic teachings and universal harmony, the event sends a powerful message about the enduring strength of ISKCON's values, even amid challenges it faces in the neighborhood. Prime Minister Modi's presence at the ceremony underscores the Indian government's support for ISKCON and its global initiatives, efforts that span virtually every country in the world. It also reflects India's broader stance on upholding religious freedom and opposing intolerance, both within its borders and in its diplomatic engagements. Bureau Report, India Today.